So Gemini has this secret interactive workspace called Canvas that completely changes the way that you use Gemini.
Most people use Gemini like a texting app. That's why they're broke.
Instead of just getting a text response from it, you can actually build things with it. Mini apps, working prototypes, playable games, stuff that you can actually click around in and use. A lot of people already know about Canvas, but they just don't understand the full potential and power of it.
Google has a hidden workspace inside Gemini called Canvas. It builds real apps, websites, and games, not text replies, no coding, no tech degree. Businesses pay $2,000 to $5,000 for what Canvas creates in minutes.
So today I'm going to show you some mind-blowing use cases for Gemini Canvas. To understand the power of Canvas, let's open up a normal chat on Gemini and we'll send it a prompt. I'll use my voice dictation app to tell Gemini, help me write an email to my boss about quitting my job. Tell her it's nothing personal.
But building random stuff won't pay bills. What you build first changes everything. Step 2.
Go ahead and submit that. Now, over here on the right, you can see that Gemini is now actually coding this app for me. I don't know how to code myself. It doesn't matter. It's just going out and it's doing it for me. And in literally just a couple of minutes, we now have our new app, Climb Track Pro. Over here, I can log a new climb.
He told Canvas to build a rock climbing tracker. It coded the whole thing. Log sessions, track progress, view history, fully functional. Shared it with a link. Fitness coaches and small business owners pay $500 to $2,000 for apps like this.
In this case, it was bouldering. I can choose what type of training drill I did, my perceived effort, and any notes that I want in here. Let's go ahead and save that session. Up here, I can now see I've completed one total session and one drill. I can see my progress. I can see my history. This is a real functional app.
Apps are just the start. Wait until you see what Canvas builds for people selling knowledge. Step 3.
So coming up here to Canvas, you'll notice that there's a button right here that says Create. And there are a lot of options in here. Let's go ahead and choose for this first one, flashcards. So if I click on flashcards, we now have rock climbing flashcards. So what is beta? This is what beta is. Next question, what is crux?
On button inside Canvas auto-generates flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and podcasts from any topic. It tracks learning progress too. Online coaches and course creators pay $300 to $800 per package for this.
There's the definition of crux. And you can even track your learning over time to see, hey, did I get this one right? No, I didn't. I got that one wrong. This one, what is a flash? I got that one right.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
And you can kind of track your learning over time. All right, but there's more you can do in Canvas. So let's scroll back up to the top to the original document and I'll click on Open. And this time I'm going to show you what quizzes look.
The real money move is combining Canvas with another Google tool most people ignore. Step 4.
Canvas comes in because you can connect NotebookLM to Canvas. And this is one of the most powerful workflows I have found. Use NotebookLM to collect all the information and then use something like Canvas to turn it into something incredible. I'll go ahead and select here Canvas. And on this plus icon, I'm going to select NotebookLM.
Connected NotebookLM to Canvas, fed it business research, told Gemini to build a website. It pulled real survey data, added membership tiers, contact info, working navigation. Local businesses pay $2,000 to $5,000 for websites like this.
And I will choose that notebook called Peak and Pivot Climbing. Click on Add. Now here, I'm going to tell Gemini, create a website for me for my new climbing gym called Peak and Pivot Climbing. Then I'll select Thinking, of course, and submit that. Over here on the right, we can see Gemini getting to work and actually coding out.
But what if you could just clone any app you see online instead of starting from scratch? Step 5.
Then I'll go ahead and submit it. And here we can see that it's doing the same thing. It's actually coding this out, but we also have this preview button up here, and that's what we want. Because now that it's complete, it switches over to preview and we can actually see and use this dashboard. Here I can see an overview. I can then see the memberships.
He pasted raw data into Canvas. It coded a fully interactive dashboard, overview, memberships, financials, hover effects, scrollable charts, strategy breakdowns, all in minutes. Consultants charge $1,000 to $3,000 for this. You could offer it as a service today.
And I can see the financials of the business as well. And everything is fully interactive. I can hover over these. I can scroll around. I can move along the chart here. And I can even see the strategy that I put together for the next year. So dashboards, I think, are definitely one of the coolest features of Canvas if you know how to use them.
That's BUILD. Build, unleash, interactive tools, link Notebook LM, dashboards, save this. Start making money with AI before your next paycheck. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.